I don't know what was happening there. It looks like we fixed it though. So I'm going to try this again. It's called Part of Me. It's hard to have my love for you, keep my thoughts bottled up when I'm falling for you. Time to tell you how I feel, get it off of my chest and onto the table. Say that you feel the same, that you're crazy about me, and you love me too. Dare to take a chance with me, take this open hand. Oh, can't you see that I can't ever live without you? You're the air I breathe, you're a part of me. Said to satisfy your each and every need, nothing I want to. Oh, can't you see that I can't ever live without you? You're the air I breathe, you're a part of me. Said I can't ever live without you. It's destiny, you're a part of me. Thank y'all so much. Yeah, we had some technical difficulties there, I guess. That's what you, one thing that happens when you play on the internet. But we got it fixed, it looks like, and Rebecca is up for another great song, so stay tuned.